Welcome back to our channel, Cooking with the Robbie. For today's cooking, luluto po tayo ng ginataan na papaya. Kasi nag-crave po ako. So, here's the ingredients: papaya, which is the green papaya, and
Papaya.
sigarilyas. Meron pa akong nabili sa Philippine store. Then, leftover na fish po. Galunggong na malalaki. Then, lalagyan ko po siya ng malunggay from our backyard. May malunggay po kami. Tanim po ng mama ko. And then, let's cooking na po. Ito po lahat yung mga ingredients niya. May luya, may bawang, may bagoong din po ako. So, ito pong gata ang gagamitin ko. Yan. So, luto na po tayo. Lagay po na natin yung gata. Then, sunod po yung bawang and luya. Lagyan ko po siya ng tubig. Konti lang po. Yung bagoong po. Ilagay ko na yung po natin. Kumakulong po. Wala po siyang ilagay. Papaya.
There's a find you.
Ha?
There's a find you. What about the
Papaya.
What is it?
Papaya. Ang gana po na papaya, baby.
Okay. Don't burn me. I'm eating. Mom. Mom.
Yeah.
What's wrong with my car?
I don't know, baby.
Then you should pull it.
Yeah.
I forgot my phone. I forgot my phone.
Boy po.
I forgot. Yeah.
Pwede na pong ilagay itong sigarilyas.
Don't speak to the man.
Huh?
I'm on my phone. Don't worry. What's a bug?
Lagyan ko din pala siya ng maliliit na hipon.
Amen. How was school good? Mom,
Lagay ko na po itong coconut cream. Kalahati lang muna. Lagay na po natin yung malunggay. Malunggay. Ito na yung kalahati ng gata. Yan, pwede na. Tikman po natin. Kulang ng asin. Good. Sarap. Asin ko muna siya ng asin. Konti lang. Sarap. Miss ko talaga kumain ng gata. Yan. Thank you for watching po. Until on the next video. Giman time!
Pokemon time!
Yes!
Yes.
This is my food.
I
Sarap-sarap!
How you doing,
By the way,
By the
I use
way.
cauliflower rice for today. Ganito po siya.
Can I find Mom?
Okay, let Mario taste it first.
No. I want it. Where you doing, my Mom?
Sarap. Sarap-sarap. You want fish? Sarap. Papaya at saka yung sigarilyas and malunggay. Very healthy po. Thank you for watching po. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, Cooking with the Roby. Until next video. God bless.